Welcome to the second video in this ColorPlay 4 tutorial series. In this video, we'll go through a high-level overview of the Show tab. Let's start with the top bar. Here you have access to quick options for creating a new show, saving the current show you're working on, or opening an existing file. The left sidebar contains all your effects. You can drag and drop them onto the canvas or onto the timeline directly. At that point, you'll choose a group to apply the effect to if you're not dragging the effect onto a row with an existing group. Once you drop an effect on the timeline, you'll want to head over to the right-hand menu to edit the properties of the effect. Set the start and end times, fade times, choose colors, and many other customization options for effects. On the topic of setting colors, we've updated our color selection widget, offering numerous options for selection and granularity. In simple mode, you can choose from our base set of colors, along with adjusting the brightness. Have a specific color in mind you need for your show? Switch over to advanced mode, and you can set your color using a variety of different modes and tweakable properties to dial in your color exactly how you'd like to have it on a per-fixture basis. For those that need an effect on a per-channel basis, use the toggle switch at the top of the color widget to switch to channel control mode, and set the values you'd like to apply to each channel of your fixture or device. Finally, you can save any colors you've selected or created at any time by clicking the heart icon in the selected value window. You'll be given an opportunity to give the color a name for easy identification later. Up next, the timeline, where you'll be doing most of your editing for shows. Effects can be added directly to the timeline and manually scaled to the desired length. From there, effects can be quickly duplicated by using the Edit menu in the top bar, or by using hotkeys when selecting an effect. Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. This will paste the effect behind the last selected effect on the timeline. You can also drag and drop effects to any time signature on the timeline if another effect isn't present, or between groups once your timeline rows are occupied by a group. Layered show content can be achieved using layer priority and transparency on effects that have the checkbox option available. When you're ready to preview your show, you can click play and watch it play on the nodes within the UI, and toggle live preview on if you'd like to see the show play on your fixtures directly. This functionality is turned on by default. If you have a 2-monitor setup, or if you'd like to, you can undock the timeline for more complex shows or timeline setups. Although there is plenty more to explore in the Show tab. That's all for this quick overview. In the next video, we'll cover the Network tab and how you would go about interacting with your controller for managing the content uploaded to it. Thanks for watching.